Hey, what's up guys? Ding from Dingsworkshop here. Recently, Banggood.com sent me this box of 2 squares, so let's check them out. As always, I'm surprised by how fast this tool arrived at my house. It only took 13 calendar days for this tool to go from southern China to Seattle. And as you can see inside, very well packaged. There are 2 squares per box. And in terms of construction, it feels very solid in hand, feels very good. Over here we have millimeter, and on the other side we have inches. So the version I got is the 120 millimeter, which is about a little over 4.5 inches. On the side there are countersunk holes, which means you can combine the 2 squares together to make a wider square, or you can use these holes to temporarily screw down these squares on a piece of plywood. So first, I can clamp one up here. Like so. And then, grab another piece of material and clamp it right up here. And now I know I have a perfect right angle joint. You can also use it to clamp the inside of a joint. For example, I can have it clamp right here. Like so. And then bring another piece, let's say right here. And now I have a perfect 90. And like I said before, you can screw down this square on a piece of wood or directly onto your workbench so that you always have a right angle reference. In terms of squareness, I mean, check that out. For an average DIYer like me, and for $25, this is awesome. So this box of 2 squares currently retails for $25 on Banggood.com. These 2 squares feel great in hand, and the construction is solid, feels super nice. And like I said, the accuracy of these squares are excellent for an average DIYer like me. And if you consider the price tag of $25 for 2 squares, I think it's an excellent deal. So there you go guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm Ding from Dingsworkshop. See you next time.